Noodles, a simple food yet a culinary marvel. From thick Japanese udon to delicate Italian angel hair, noodles grace tables worldwide. They are a testament to human ingenuity, a blank canvas for diverse flavors and cultures. Noodles offer endless possibilities. They can be served hot or cold. They can be bathed in broth or tossed in sauce. Each culture has its own unique way with noodles, but the journey from raw ingredients to the final dish shares a common thread. Today you are going to dive deeply into the process of making noodles. And remember, the only way you could support this channel is by subscribing, sharing and commenting with no cost to you. The journey begins with humble ingredients. Wheat flour, the most common base. Water, the lifeblood of the dough. Salt for flavor and preservation. These simple elements are the foundation of every noodle. The journey starts in the fields. Golden waves of wheat swaying in the breeze, harvested and ground, the wheat transforms into flour. This fine powder full of potential arrives at the factory. Here, the magic begins.
Inside the factory, machines whir and hum. Flour is measured and mixed with water and salt. The proportions are precise. The mixture transforms into a shaggy dough. The dough is then kneaded. Large rollers press and stretch it. This develops the gluten, giving the noodles their characteristic chewiness. The process is repeated again and again until the dough is smooth and elastic. Section 4, a cut above creating noodle variety. Now the transformation begins. The smooth sheet of dough is ready for its final form. Machines with sharp blades slice the dough into various shapes, long and thin for ramen, flat and wide for the ramyun. The possibilities are endless. Different dies create different shapes, round, square, or even hollow. Each shape offers a unique texture and ability to hold sauces. The noodles, once a blank canvas, now have character. Drying and packaging ready for the journey. Freshly cut noodles are delicate. They need to be dried to ensure a longer shelf life. This is crucial for distribution. Drying removes excess moisture, it prevents spoilage and allows for storage. Once dried, the noodles are ready for packaging. Machines carefully weigh and seal them in airtight packages. This protects the noodles during transport. It ensures they reach consumers fresh and ready to cook. The main goal of this step is to ensuring noodle perfection. Throughout the journey, quality control is paramount. Every step is monitored, from the source of the ingredients to the final product. Trained eyes inspect the noodles at each stage. Machines test the texture and moisture content. This ensures consistency and quality. Only the best noodles make it to the packaging stage. The rest are discarded. This rigorous process guarantees consumer satisfaction. From factory to fork, savoring the journey. Finally, the journey culminates on our plates. The humble noodle, a product of nature and human ingenuity. From the wheat fields to the factory floor, from careful drying to meticulous packaging. Each step in the process contributes to the final enjoyment. As we savor the taste and texture of noodles, we are experiencing the culmination of a remarkable journey, a journey that connects us to the earth and to cultures around the world. Thanks for joining our channel on this journey. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday items are made. Don't forget to share, to educate a friend or a family member, and comment. But most importantly, subscribe for more instructional videos.